Okay, hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm with Sub, and
Yo, what up?
we will check out the new update. He has seen it all, but I have just
Yes,
when I
already.
it's
Come
in.
on. This is the least interesting of the updates. Come on.
Okay. Say so.
Let's just check out cosmetics.
Oh yes, yo.
Hey, select this. Select the part. This ring.
Oh, that's nice. What's
No, come on.
this?
That's a cool feature.
What the frick? Oh, it's a Grimace shake.
The ring.
It's a Grimace shake.
Check out the ring.
This is sound effects. Oh no, look.
Yeah,
Wait, it's caves. Caves.
No, cases. Right off the bed in games. It's just. I think it's plain, but it's. Come on. Just come on.
What is up? What did you say?
Come on.
There's nothing in canyons?
Here.
What the frick? Whoa! What? It's a barbecue! What did you say? Why did you say there's nothing? Oh, the tents! Yo!
I said it's not. It is. There's. I said there's some, but not much.
That's cool. That's very cool.
But trust me, there's more forest and beach.
Oh my god!
Dude.
What the hell? Oh my god! It's kinda early so I can't scream, but oh my god, this is crazy! The routes are amazing here.
Slide. Can step slide.
I wanna see if dog can slide.
Man, give me it.
Really crazy. Here.
Dude, look at this.
No, Juke.
Look at this. Dog can slide.
Yes, dog can slide. So, is beach better or worse?
Beach is better, but right is better. You can't see nothing. But if you look down there, oh,
Yo! There's like...
hey, look at this. Look at this. Look at the air.
Yo! This is actually crazy, this update.
Dude, I just found out a glitch. Come over here.
What? Oh. That is so cool.
Dude, come over here. I just found out a glitch.
Okay, wait. Oh, in the water?
Fireworks.
Is that fireworks?
Yeah, I've never seen them in action. It's gonna happen in the night.
How do you set it off?
I don't know. It only works like this. When the fireworks go off on the beach.
And don't forget to join my Discord server. Yo, wait! Have you seen this? Sup? There's fireworks rockets on the stump.
Actually?
Yes.
Oh damn, they actually are. Hello.
Yo. Thanks so much for watching. This was the update. And like and subscribe. And join my Discord server. The link is in the comments and in the description. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the update. Bye.